Welcome to this moment of tranquility. Settle into a space where you feel most comfortable. As you gently close your eyes, turn your attention inward. Focus on the gentle rhythm of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Begin to speak silently to your breath and body. Say, "Dear breath, dear body, you are my cherished companions. I am deeply grateful for the life and energy you provide. Thank you for being my constant support." Feel these words of love and appreciation resonate throughout your entire being. Continue breathing deeply, each inhale drawing in peace, each exhale releasing anything that doesn't serve you. With every breath, deepen your sense of relaxation, letting go of the external world. Embrace this moment, just you and your breath, in perfect harmony. Now immerse yourself in gratitude for your existence. Observe how your body and breath synchronize, creating a dance of life within you. Let this realization bring a smile to your inner self. Think about the miraculous love, joy, and bliss that are inherent parts of your being. Remember, you are here for a reason, a purpose that's uniquely yours. Let this sense of purpose fill you with confidence and serenity. Turn your thoughts to your relationships, especially during meaningful times like holidays or gatherings. Visualize releasing past patterns and stepping into a new light. How do you want to feel around your loved ones? Imagine a future unbound by the past. Envision yourself as a vessel of peace, influencing each interaction with calm and understanding. Your presence can transform moments, creating ripples of peace that touch everyone. Say to yourself, "I am grateful for choosing a path of peace." Visualize this peace enveloping you. transforming each interaction into an opportunity for harmony. Feel the power of this decision in your heart. Now, commit to finding and appreciating moments of peace in every situation. Acknowledge yourself for this powerful choice. Let this commitment deepen, becoming an integral part of your essence. Visualize this peace as a natural state of your being. In every gathering, in every interaction, peace is your unwavering foundation. Affirm, I am here for peace. I choose love and serenity in every moment. Sink deeper into this peaceful state. Understand that this choice benefits you, filling you with happiness and light. Your presence is a gift to the world, a source of joy and inspiration. Recognize your own light. Shining brightly with bliss and love. Open yourself to the possibilities that align with this truth. You are a beacon of peace, carrying it effortlessly wherever you go. Thank yourself for being a mirror of peace to those around you. Whether they reflect it back or not, your inner peace remains constant and unshaken. You have the power to choose peace in every situation. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel your body, grounded and relaxed. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to the world rejuvenated and at peace. Take a moment to appreciate this meditation journey. You have embraced peace and gratitude, enriching your inner world. Carry this sense of calm and appreciation with you. Letting it illuminate your path forward.